color switches, and the easiest of the majority of the color switches that you can do are simply just going to be ones where you are changing the direction of your flow. Right there, I was doing it backwards, and now I'm switching into a forwards, and it switched the color. That was a forwards, now it's a backwards, and it switched the color. That is the easiest way of doing a color switch, is simply just changing the direction of your flow. Now, there are a lot of moves that do involve like letting go of the star and catching it in another way, and we will go over some of those. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with this one because it is the quickest and probably the easiest of the color switches. There are two things that I want you to remember. I want you to remember smack your ass and punch the back of your head. Okay, those are the two hand positions that you need to remember. So, and this move, the starting of this move is exactly like doing a back pass, except for your hand is going to be opposite. I'll explain. So, we're going to start here. We're going to start with a forwards. You're going to come down. Make sure I'm in view. You're going to come down towards your butt, and you're basically just going to stop. Just stop. And I want the palm of your hand to your butt. I want you to smack your ass, okay? So, we're doing a forwards, and just stop. Smack your ass. And now you're going to come up into a backwards vertical 8. And when you come up to your head, the hand position that you want is I want you to punch the back of your head, okay? I literally want you to punch the back of your head. That is how you're going to get your color switch. So now you're going to take your thumb and you're going to shoot out with your thumb into a forwards. And we're going to smack the ass, come up, punch the head. Smack the ass, punch the head. Smack the ass, punch the head. And there you go. Now we're basically going to do the same thing. We are simply just going to switch directions of our flow, but we're going to be using both hands and we're going to be doing shoulder rolls. So the way that you're going to start with it backwards. The star is going towards you. It's going to come across. It's going to shoulder roll. You're going to pause and then you're going to go into a backwards and you're going to flip it to the other. You're just doing backwards on each hand. That's all that one is. You're just doing it backwards and flipping it from hand to hand. I don't feel like I have to explain that one more, but if I do, please let me know. Okay, now we're going to do everybody's favorite, which is the kick switch. This one is pretty much exactly like this one. You are just adding your foot into there. So the star is going to go in front of your arm. After it goes in front of your arm, that is when you're kicking it. So we'll go, it's going in front, behind, in front, kick. And my thumb is facing outwards.